Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your ISP service is active and you have the modem and router ready. Connect the coax cable to the modem, tighten the connector, then plug the modem into power. Wait until the status lights stabilize. Next, run a short Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port to the router's WAN or Internet port, power on the router. Once done, make sure indicator LEDs show an upstream connection so you can proceed to router setup on a laptop or phone. You now log into the router's admin page using the address on the label or 192.168.0.1. Enter the default user and password. Change the admin password first, then create an SSID and a strong Wi-Fi password. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption. Choose band allocation, use 5 GHz for speed and 4 GHz for range, and leave DHCP enabled for device addressing. Don't finish by positioning the router centrally and elevated to maximize coverage. Avoid placing it near microwaves, thick concrete walls, or metal cabinets. Connect your phone and laptop to the new SSID and run a speed test to confirm expected upload and download rates. Compare results to your ISP plan. Make sure devices get IP addresses and can browse. If things go wrong, first power cycle modem and router. If that fails, check cable tightness and ISP outage notices before performing a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.